Today, we'll discuss two simple ways to clear the app cache on RedNote. You can either use the app's built-in option. Let's dive in. Method 1. Using the RedNote app. Open the RedNote app on your phone. Go to the Me section at the bottom of the screen. Tap the settings icon and you'll find the option to clear the cache. Tap it, and the app cache will be cleared immediately. Method 2. Using phone settings. Open the Settings app on your phone. Navigate to General in Phone Storage. Scroll down to locate the RedNote app. Tap on it and select Offload app. This will clear the cache without deleting your data. However, you'll need to log in again, so make sure you remember your login details. And that's it. Both methods are quick and easy ways to clear the cache in the RedNote app. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.